Welcome back to Tiny Steps to English. In today's lesson, we'll be learning how to ask and answer some of the most common questions in English. Whether you're meeting someone new or just having a casual conversation, these questions and answers will help you feel more confident in your English skills. Ready? Let's get started. Start with some basic questions that you will use almost every day. These include questions like, what's your name? The answers will be like, my name is Sarah. Where are you from? I'm from India. How are you? I'm good, thanks. These are great for introductions. Practice asking these questions and giving simple, clear answers. Try to focus on your pronunciation and tone as they are key to sounding natural in English. Next, let's move to questions about preferences. You will often hear questions like, what do you like to do in your free time? Answers will be like, I like reading books. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. Asking about preferences is a great way to keep a conversation going. It's also a chance to learn more about someone and share more about yourself. Now, let's look at how to ask for information. You will use questions like, where is the nearest supermarket? The answer should be like, the supermarket is around the corner. How much does this cost? This costs $10 or this costs $10. Can you help me? Sure, I would be happy to help. Asking for information is a useful skill, especially when you are traveling or shopping. Try to memorize these questions and practice using them in real life situations. When answering questions, confidence is key. Even if you are still learning, it's important to speak clearly and keep your sentences simple. If you don't understand a question, it's okay to ask for clarification. You can say, sorry, could you repeat that? Can you say that again, please? These phrases will help you stay calm and keep the conversation going, even if you are unsure. Finally, remember that practice makes perfect. Try to practice asking and answering these questions with a friend, a language partner, or even in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Thanks for joining me for this lesson on common English questions. Don't forget to practice asking and answering these questions in your everyday conversations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tiny Steps to English for more simple and effective English lessons. See you in the next video.